What's this, Nonna? What are you making?
I got 4 artichoke. I make ketchup.
You're
Look
making-
beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
And I'll show you. This is hard. They're clean, but they're good though.
What do you put in this stuffing?
This is the prosciutto.
Okay.
The garlic.
Okay. 1 clove?
Do.
2 clove.
Silly.
Okay, so you put parsley too?
I wash. People, they will put all of it too, but I don't like it.
Okay.
I like it plain food.
Simple. Keep it simple.
No. Now I gotta get the bread. Look what I do.
Ooh. This is your bread?
It's my bread.
Nice.
I don't like the breadcrumb.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
A little bit of salt. Of course, you mix with the hands, right?
Yay. If you don't use your hand, no eat good. Oh, the cheese. I want to put a little cheese.
Okay. Little cheese. Little breadcrumb from the store.
Stuffing for 4 ketchup.
Perfecto. Stuff it nice. Everything with your hands, right?
Yeah, Mom. How you do with the spoon again?
I don't know. Beautiful.
Aspetta non sboga, I'm not finished yet.
I know. Some oil on top.
To the oil, you put a little breadcrumb on the top like this.
Okay. A little bit of salt. Some cold water.
Cold water. And I cook.
Okay. Let's do it. All right. Almost done?
No.
Not
They
yet.
gotta boil a little bit.
Slow, very
and then
slow.
I put it high. They drain the water. And
Okay.
then they cook.
Okay. Nonna Pia's stuffed artichoke. Look at that. Don't forget the juice, right?
No. It's the best.
The best part. What do we got? Artichokes are finito?
Artichokes, all done.
Let me see. Ooh, Nonna, we're gonna
They're
eat good
beautiful.
today.
They're beautiful.
Just like you.